The Ministry of Transport and Mining is committed to the International Sustainable Development Goal of a First World Transportation Architecture.
And it states, by 2030, provide access to safe, affordable, accessible and sustainable transport systems for all.
The ministry is also committed to the development of a vibrant and diversified mineral sector which compares with the best in the world. To support development in the transport and mining sectors this fiscal year, government plans to spend more than $5 billion. Government will be spending more than $2.5 billion to improve the public passenger transportation system this fiscal year. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC will receive $1.28 billion to offset its operating expenses, and another $1.3 billion to buy spare parts and special tools to repair more buses and add to its fleet. $10 million is also budgeted for the second phase of the project to develop a Portmore transportation hub. And in further support of a first world transport system, money has also been allocated to develop a transport statistics database, research databank and geographic information system database. $313 million is also set aside for the Road Traffic and Safety Program. Meanwhile, the Caribbean Maritime Institute is allocated $1.2 billion to help deliver professional maritime education and training. $983.5 million of the amount will be earned in fees it collects. Money is also budgeted to cover the operating expenses of the Maritime Authority of Jamaica, of which $138.4 million is to be earned in revenues from the registration of ships. As it works towards a diversified mining sector, government has allocated $29.26 million to deal with the general supervision of all prospecting and mining operations. The provision will assist the Earthquake Unit to publish Jamaica's seismic code and maps, implement an effective early warning program, and provide information to guide the National Building Code. The 2017-2018 budget allocation for the mining sector also provides for the continuation of activities to regulate and control quarrying. Activities to develop and diversify non-bauxite metallic mineral resources will be financed through a $14 million allocation. $3.6 million is allocated to identify and evaluate economically viable deposits, assist investors, and prepare a quarry development plan for non-metallic minerals. And $45.4 million is budgeted for work geared at developing an integrated, comprehensive, and scientific understanding of Jamaica's geology. These are some of the ways the Ministry of Transport and Mining will be investing its resources in the 2017-2018 fiscal year to support the country's growth and development agenda.